Joseph here from Echo4 Studios. Today's Godaddy hosting tutorial. I'm going to show you how to set up a pretty basic thing, but it's a bit complicated because Godaddy hide it in a weird place. What I'm going to show you how to set up is a subdomain that forwards to a different address. So for the example we have set up here is twitter.verifiedjoseph.com. What you do then when you put that into your browser, just hit enter, that will redirect you over to my Twitter page. It's pretty easy to set up. It takes a while for it to go through, but anyway, so let's get into how to set it up. First of all, as always, log into your Godaddy account, go over to my account from the home page, and then you want to go down where it has domains. If you have more than one domain, obviously select the one you want, so we're just going to go launch on the only one I have here. I'll go launch, this will load up our sort of domain dashboard details for this bit. And there's all sorts of information from it being locked to expiry date to a whole host of other things, but you just want to scroll down through this using the scroll bar on this bit here, down to where you'll get where it says forward subdomains. For most people I have 252 available. Obviously here you can have, see I have a Twitter one set up which I can edit and change and get rid of as well. So what you just want to do is click manage. It will at some point open up this box here. Subdomains from verifiedjoseph.com are forwarded to, and obviously here we have our current one which goes to Twitter, and that goes, it's called Twitter, and it goes to twitter.com/verifiedjoseph, which is my Twitter username, and it has forward only. So we're just going to we're going to click add subdomain, and let's I don't know, let's do YouTube just as an example. And what you have here is you have a couple of choices. You can run it through HTTP, which is the standard non-secure, or HTTPS. But for this example, it doesn't matter because YouTube will, if you're logged into your YouTube account, it will put on the HTTPS anyway, so secure the connection. Then you have a couple of advanced options once you've done that bit. You have forward only, which means you will permanently forward, which means it will forward it and load up everything as you would see if you just put in the address to YouTube anyway. Or forward with masking. Masking will do is it will show you your domain, the Joseph.whatever, the subdomain you want forwarding them. So then the subdomain you've put in, it will show that instead of youtube.com or Twitter or Facebook or whatever in the address. And then you can have a custom title, custom description and custom keywords. I don't really recommend doing that for things like YouTube. If it's someone else's site or someone you know, perhaps, but it's not really recommended and it's not needed either. So we're just going to keep it at forwarding only. So you've put in your address, you've selected the subdomain name. Sorry, oh dear, damn it. You've selected the so you've selected your subdomain name. I'll just quickly add it again. So you've got your address, which is YouTube or whatever you want, and you've got youtube.com/ my channel name obviously, and then you've got your thing here, and we've left the advanced options as forward only. You can also change it to direct type, which is forward only, which is permanently forwarding, which is recommended, and or you can have I'm permanently forwarding my domain. Because it's a subdomain, it doesn't really matter, so you can just leave it as a permanent. And obviously had the mask we've already talked about. Obviously it does have some help and there is some learn more features, so what you just want to do after that is click OK. This is where, as if you've seen my subdomains video for Godaddy, it can take some time. As you can see, it has nicely set it up for us there, but if we just go over, it takes a while for the DNS records to update, so we just go into youtube.verifiedjoseph.com, which is the domain we're testing here. What they'll do here is your website will look it up on a DNS server, and it will return your IP addresses or a browser page saying it can't find it because there are no DNS records yet set up. It should take within 20 minutes to half an hour to sometimes an hour, just depending, but it doesn't take very long to set up. It's not instant, unfortunately, but it will be set up, and once it's set up, there are ways of finding out. Just jump over the DNS manager here from that link here, and what you'll see, if I go edit zone file, or edit zone, sorry, as you can see under here we'll have the host records. We have some of the subdomains, and then we have our Twitter one, and then when the YouTube one comes in, it will be there as well. So guys, that's how to set up a subdomain that forwards to a different address. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, check out the other videos in the Godaddy hosting playlist, and I'll see you around.